Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using advanced technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. All right, so today, popular request is for us to look at Bitcoin. All right, so what can we expect from Bitcoin? We're going to expect the bounce, right? So what I like to do when looking at Bitcoin is to first see if there's a bigger picture that we can look at, right? And we notice that there's a sort of ascending support line over here that's supporting price. And very interestingly, there's this very strong support level over here, right? So we're going to put it as a support line over here. Okay. Now, oops, sorry. Uh, Now, so from here, we're going to decide what's going to happen. Okay. Should Bitcoin be bouncing up further or not? Okay. What I'm seeing is that I see a sort of a descending channel. Yeah, so sort of a descending channel over here, right? Not the best one, but it's definitely one that seems to touch a couple of the key points. Yeah, seems to touch a couple of the key levels. Yeah, it seems to touch a couple of key levels. Okay, so we could be seeing price breakout from here. At the same time, right? I'm watching this level very closely. There is a very nice overlap level over here. Okay, so if price actually breaks out of here, right? If price actually breaks out from here, we could be seeing price make a nice recovery up to where, right? Actually, up to here. This could be the level where price could make us, at least over the next few days, make a recovery too, right? And this would be my stop loss, this big area over here, right? The reason for that is that if price breaks out of this descending channel, right? It breaks out this descending channel, right? Breaks out this overlap, right? And I believe it's also a could be a nice 23% retracement. Yeah, if it breaks out of this 23% retracement, my starting point over here, my ending point over here, right? And yeah, if it breaks this level, we should be seeing price make a nice little push up to this level here. Okay, it's a big call that we're making for Bitcoin, but I'm watching this level very closely because it could trigger, it could be the start of a nice little bounce up to the 63,652 level. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to look at indicators. I'm going to look at my RSI, see if there's any divergence, and what there is. Very interestingly, right? Very interestingly, I can see I can see that there is a bullish divergence here, right? So this is where price, is making lower. Stochastic RSI is making higher lows, and this is making lower lows. So there is a nice little thing here which we call the bullish divergence, right? So add it all together, that should give us the impetus, right? The momentum for us to trigger the move up to this 63652 level. Okay, so I hope you found this analysis useful, right? Using really advanced technical analysis. We make it seem simple, but there's a lot that goes into looking and thinking about all these levels. All right. Anyway, if you like this, remember to give us a like, right? If you have any requests, leave a comment, and tune in again once again tomorrow as we look at the markets using advanced technical analysis to find good trading opportunities once again, guys. Cheers and trade safe.